What's up, guys? Let me clean my phone. There we go. That's a little better. So I'm just chilling, enjoying the last little bit of my Christmas tree. I'm about to take it down. I'm hella dreading it, but I'm ready just to have a clean little palette or whatever. So happy New Year's, guys. I hope you guys are in good spirits, doing your little resets, getting ready. Yeah, I just wanted to pop on real quick and introduce. I think I'm just gonna do like a little reset, take down Christmas decor with me video. Try to at least, I don't have that much to take down. I just have the 2 trees, the one in my living room and then the one in my office. Please be sure to comment, rate, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know when I post a video. But yeah, I was just sitting here watching Martin, drinking my coffee. I go back to work tomorrow. But the good thing about it is I go back for 2 days and then I'm off for another 4 days. That has been my schedule for like the last month, and I'm just like, yes. I had on my agenda to go to the gym today, but I woke up for some reason, my hip is hurting. I probably just need to stretch it out, but I really need to get back into the gym. Been paying my membership, just haven't been going. I need to get stronger. I feel myself being weak. When I go to the gym, I have more energy. I'm stronger. I just feel overall better. So yeah, and recently, coffee been messed. Like I have my coffee every morning, but I don't know if it was the creamer that I bought. Maybe I need to have non-dairy. Like today's like the first day I had like a real cup of joe in like hella days because my stomach was just messed up. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to come on and introduce the video. I'm wishing you guys all love and blessings in 2023. And don't let nobody else stop you from what you're trying to do. If they ain't with it, they ain't with it. Let them do whatever they doing. If they come with that drum, they doing whatever stuff they doing. Get somebody else to do it. Sabrina Monique is not available, baby. So yeah, let's go ahead and get some of this stuff taken down so we can get everything. I really just need to take the trees down and my breakable little decor. I need to put them in a safe space. Storage for me is a problem. I don't have a lot of storage areas, so I'll be having to maneuver shit, and y'all know how I go to ghetto. Okay, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Hold on.
Contact. Contact one time. Contact one time. Contact one time. Contact one time. They ready. They ready. They ready. They ready. They ready. They ready. Come on. They ready. They ready. They ready. So get ready. They ready. So get ready. They ready. Come on. They ready. They ready. They ready. They ready. They ready. So get ready. They ready. Come on. They ready. They ready. They ready. Get ready. They ready. Get ready. They ready. Come on. Searching for the place where I belong. I belong. And I've been trying to make my house a happy home. Happy home. Everything I do just seems to turn out wrong. Lord, I can't keep going on. They ready. The way that I'm going on. They ready. I'm searching for my place. Searching for my place. Trying to find my way. And I've been trying to find my way. Searching for my place. Searching for my place. Trying to find my way. And I've been searching for my place. Trying to find my way. They ready. 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 Come on. They ready. They ready. They ready. Get ready. They ready. Get ready. They ready. Come on. They ready. 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 Come on. They ready. They ready. They ready. Get ready. They ready. Get ready. They ready. Come on.
You know I'm popping champagne. Championship campaign. Bossed status maintain. Give me the mic and I'ma spit that flame. Do my thing, keep this game, the heavyweight, money made. Wrap it up like cellophane. I got mad, step up my game. Real talk, feel my pain. All the pain, I remain unchained, untamed. Heated like LeBron James. In my veins, propane. Kicking ass and taking names. I'm out here doing a damn thing. You ain't ready, that's a damn shame.
Searching for my place. Searching for my place. Trying to find my way. And I'm trying to find my way. Searching for my place. Searching for my place. Trying to find my way. And I've been searching for my place. Trying to find my way.
Good morning, y'all. Actually, good afternoon, y'all. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon in California. It has been raining cats and dogs, but your girl is on her way to the gym, baby. I'm on my first day back to the gym. I checked on my little app for the gym. I can check and see like if it's full or not. Last I checked, it wasn't full. So I'm about to pull up to the gym. I ain't gonna do too much, y'all. We gonna go in there and get it in for a second. I'm so nervous. Well, I feel like when I go in there, the gym is just gonna fall down. It's been months. I've been paying my membership, but it's been months since I've been in the gym. But I'm ready. So it's just been like, Sabrina, every day, like, you need to go to the gym, you need to go to the gym. Literally, me, my sister, and my mom used to go to the gym every day, like 6 days a week. Sometimes we would go twice a day. This was like 2 years ago. We was really in the lab, like body was looking good. So I'm hoping I can get back to that space. Like, me and my mom used to go to the gym so much. Like, my mom would be in there telling people off, whoever didn't like the machines off. When they got off, like, we really used to be having a good time. We thought we went in there, somebody was on our little Smith machine, baby, and we would be like staring them down, talking shit about them. Them was the good old days. What is he doing? Let me get from behind you, baby, because no. But yeah, it's hella raining in California right now. But I'm going to the gym today. I may only be in there 30 or 40 minutes. Usually we would go for about an hour, hour and a half. Or pushing an hour and a half. But yeah, I'm about to go to the gym. I hope you guys are all enjoying the start of your new year. I wish you nothing but abundance, love, peace, happiness, success, all that good shit in 2023, baby. This is our year, lovies. This is our year. This is the year of me, baby. In 2023, I'm about to do me, y'all. My heart is huge, my heart is big, and it's still gonna be that, but Sabrina gonna start looking out for Sabrina, baby. So yeah, we gonna pull up to this gym and see what's good, y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. The parking lot is full. Get my earphones. Well, my AirPods. My son got me some AirPods for Christmas, so I'm in there at this point. Do not talk to me. Get somebody else to do it. see what it do, y'all. Successfully finished our first workout in months, and it went well. I probably got right under an hour. I have a few clips I will include for you guys. Trying to get back on track for 2023, you guys. I've been going through hella shit, but I'm a strong woman, so I just been pushing the fuck through. But really, I've been going through hella shit, y'all. So me going to the gym, if you don't have a membership and you wanna, you know what I'm saying, even just for more energy and just to feel better, like, of course, for our overall health, and you want to look good, of course, but it gives you more energy. Like, I feel so, it's kind of emotional, kind of like, because I have so many memories at this gym, I guess with my mom and my sister, and shit is just not right. So, you know, it just kind of like, damn, but I'm pushing through. You know, it's time for me to live for me. You can't control what other people do. So if you don't take anything else from my channel, take strength, take shit gonna happen, but just continue to push through. So if you haven't went to the gym, or you don't have a membership and you've been looking to go, just go, okay? I feel like this is gonna be the start for me, because now I'm hungry to come back. You know what I'm saying? When I used to come to the gym every day or every other day, like hella much. So yes, we finished our, I'm so excited, you guys. That was a little accomplishment, because every day for like the last 4 months or 3 months, and then my gym was under construction. They had it open during construction and they shut it down, so I knew I wasn't gonna go then, but they renewed our whole gym, so that was good. But I have been saying for months, okay, Sabrina, you need to go to the gym. Sabrina, you need to go to the gym. Never made it. So today, what is today? January 5th. Yeah, I think today's January 5th. So I feel good. I have more energy. My mind feels clearer. So even if you fucking go to the gym and walk around that bitch for 3 minutes, or walk on the treadmill for 2 minutes, start somewhere. And don't be scared to get on the machine. You will see here in summer, like, I didn't get on the Smith machine just because that's the only machine, the one where you do the squats on it with the weights on your shoulders, or you could do arm presses. That's the only one I just get like some anxiety getting on it, because I feel like for some reason on that machine specifically, everybody's watching me for some reason on that machine. But best believe I'm gonna be on that bitch pumping some iron, getting my shit looking good, okay, and getting stronger. That's another reason why it took me so long to come back, because I felt my strength was just so low, because I hadn't been coming, I hadn't been lifting any weights, and my legs literally felt like noodles. Like, I felt weak, you know. But today was the day. I was gonna go yesterday, but I said today is today. I'm like, I'm going to the gym. I'm off for the next 4 days. Like, Sabrina, you've been wanting to go. You gotta do it. It's no more. And I'm not even the type of person to procrastinate or put shit off. I'm really not. Like, I'm on it. Like, everything that I'm doing is scheduled in my planner. But for some reason, coming back to the gym was just like, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. That type of behavior, you guys, is behind us. So if it's something you've been wanting to do, ladies, gentlemen, please go out and do it. And please be positive too. Whoever life you're in, be positive. If it's not working out, just don't deal with them, because it's not worth the time or the energy. Life is too fucking short, and so much bad shit has been happening in the world. Baby, children, kids, young adults, men, women. It's just been a lot of fucked up shit going on, a lot of devilish shit going on. So when we can be positive and, you know what I'm saying, add to someone else's life or our own lives, don't wait on it. Just do it, you guys. So yeah, so this vlog, it's not even a vlog, I don't know, so maybe a lifestyle vlog, because it's just gonna be me taking down the Christmas shit and me coming to the gym for the first time in months in 2023. I'm excited about it. I hope this video gives you the strength to go ahead and do something that you've been wanting to do for a long time. Just pull the trigger and do it. Like, we won't know until we try, you know what I'm saying? Like, we all afraid of falling and failing, but you never know until you try. So until my next video, you guys, I love you guys. I support you guys. I send love, peace, and abundance to you. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you have not yet, go watch my other videos. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Deuce.